To delete a preset, choose the preset you wish to remove and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Once you start holding the power button, the critter will pulse red. After holding the power button for 5 seconds, the critter will flash red 3 times. This confirms that the preset has been deleted. If you release the power button before the 5-second mark, you will exit to the main menu without deleting the preset. If you delete a preset, the only way to restore it is a complete factory reset. To do a factory reset, turn the critter off and hold all 3 buttons for 5 seconds. You will see a rainbow burst when the critter has been restored to its factory settings. Any customized modes or settings will be lost.